Hello everyone, myself Chandni Abad here explaining OOP using Python. The very first concept is a class. Class is user-defined data structure which holds its own data members and member functions. Data members and member functions, just remove the word member, then you will understand very well. It is data and functions. In technical, it is called as data members and member functions. Data can be accessed and used by creating an instance of that class. Instance means the object of that class. A class is like blueprint for an object. So class is defined only once. It is like a format, a blank format, and from which we can create multiple copies where we will give multiple copies will have memory and importance. That is called as objects. Class is defined only once and objects can be created many a times from the same class. To define a class, we use keyword class where C is small. Let us have a simple example where we are going to write Python program to create a class person and store the information program for that. First of all, we have to define a class using a keyword class. Then give appropriate name to the class, that suppose person. Then give colon. It is a part of syntax. After that you give enter, then it goes inside a class using indentation. Now define data members like name equal to blank currently. Then we have address equal to blank string and salary equal to suppose 0. Then we will define a function to perform on this data. Say hi. Suppose we will pass self is another keyword. It acts as a pointer which points to the current object of a class. We will see afterwards how it works. In this function, as it is a part of a class, it is called as member function. It is defined similarly as we define normal function, but it is a part of class, hence it is inside a class. Def, the same keyword is used, then you can give appropriate name to the function and opening closing bracket colon. We will write down print my name is. The value of name data is stored in a name variable can be accessed using self dot name. So you can see recommendation list is there and we select name and it is accessed using self. So self points to the current object of that class. At the time of calling, it will have appropriate value. As name, we will display the address. My address is value is stored inside address variable access using self.adr. Similarly, we will display salary, print my salary. Here we have three data members: name, address, salary. We have printed in function say hi. So this is all about class definition. We declare a class only one time and we create many objects from the same class. Now let's create an object of class person, say P. So outside the class in main module I am writing P, the name given to object equal to, write down the name of a class, that is person class person, opening closing bracket. Here object is creating an object. Okay. After that we will assign values to the data members of that class. Name, address, salary defined in a class person. Now, as P is the object of a class person, will also have all these properties. Okay, so P dot, if I write down using dot operator, I can access all these properties. The first one we will go with name equal to say Jay, then P dot address equal to say Nasik, P dot salary say 10,000. So here we have assigned data members with the actual values. Let us call member function say hi. Similarly, we will use dot object dot operator here also. So P dot say hi function opening closing bracket. Okay, so this is the simple program where we have declare or define a class person. For example, it's three data members, name, address, salary. It has one member function, say hi, opening closing bracket. Okay, so if I execute this program, we will get the output as name. So in say hi, we have printed the message, my name is self.name. So this self at this point of calling, okay, P is the current calling object, and while calling say hi, this P will act as a self, and wherever I have written self will be replaced by P internally. So it is P dot name, and what is that? J. So P dot address, what is that? Nasik. P dot salary, what is the value? 10,000. Likewise, this printing of message will be done. You will get the output, my name is Jay. Okay, so we don't have to write down self while calling. It is done automatically. It is your current calling object, that is P. I hope you understand basic concept, that is class and object, using Python programming languages. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching.